How's it going, guys? Scott here from My Total Life Happiness channel. How are you today? Today's topic is how to generate leads online. So if you are in business and the main thing is, if you don't want to go bug your family and friends and the next door neighbors and stuff to talk to about your business, the next best thing is to get some leads online. Now, the options are there's paid leads or there's free leads. Both have their bonus, benefits and disadvantages. I personally, if I was starting out, I would focus on free leads, mainly because you can burn through a lot of cash in the learning process. Unless you've got a lot of cash to burn through, that's fine. But I would personally play around in the free lead generation space. It may take a little bit longer to start seeing some results. So I will give you an example. Quora is a good place to start. What this site is, it is you set up and you answer people's questions. And I'll show you my account. Where are we? I've set up an account in the affiliate marketing space because that's what I do. I teach people how to make money, especially their first dollar online in affiliate marketing. And people will ask questions here, and what you do is answer them to your best ability. And in like your bio, you have a link to your website or whatever your offer is. And if you spend 1 to 2 hours a day answering these questions, you will start generating some really good traffic and traffic that buys, which is important. Other socials you can play around with. Pinterest works. You can get traffic and leads from Pinterest. Facebook, you can do that as well by creating like a group and building a following in that group. There are obviously they do want you to monetize or start paying for traffic, but you can still just by interacting and talking to people in similar groups. And what you do is you set up your page and then you go type in other groups. I'll show you just quickly. That is my page. If you want to go find some groups, I've got some groups floating around here. Just type in groups, say business groups, and see what that brings up. There you go, whole bunch of different business groups. Obviously the higher the members are possible, and you join that, and then people will want to connect with you, and then you can talk to them and blah blah blah. So that is one definite way you can do it for free. Then you can also approach people and ask, friend them and all that sort of stuff, and it just allows you to start to get a conversation going and find out what it is that they need. Another free method is YouTube. YouTube is very cool. I like YouTube. I'll show you my channel. Alright, that's my channel, and what you do is create videos. So obviously you create videos on topics that you are comfortable with speaking about. It doesn't have to be forever, but minimum 10 minutes is best. When you start monetizing, you just get best bang for your buck, but it takes a while. You have to be consistent, but it does work. And once it starts kicking off, you start to see some really good results. And what I do is I create a video about whatever the topic is. Once I do, you need to do keyword research and find a topic that people are looking for. And then I go to TikTok, and I use this on my phone, and I create a little 15-second ad to push people to check out my video. And it really works. It really works. So, and you don't have to spend forever, but you can do, I advise, do 2 little TikTok ads a day. You can knock them over in probably half an hour to an hour once you sort of know what you're doing. And then push them over into your YouTube videos. And then as you build a following there, then you get more views, more subscribers, and sales. They are probably the top 3 ways I would start looking at generating leads online for free. Now, the paid methods, obviously Facebook is probably the most popular as far as paid goes, and that's using their Facebook Business Manager. Once again, I wouldn't get involved just yet. If I was you, do some training, learn about the process of creating Facebook ads, so you're not wasting money. But that's definitely, it's probably up there in the number 1 in the eyes of everyone who markets online. But the thing is, what is also good is Google. You can still advertise on Google. It's just that Facebook is sexy and everyone's gone to there, but you can get some really cheap ads on Google. And what I like to do is I sort of tie Google and YouTube together, and because Google owns YouTube, what happens is you can advertise on videos for really cheap through Google AdWords, and I'll just so basically when you go type in a topic, so let's type in affiliate marketing for beginners. That will do, just as an example. And then you see ads will pop up, and you can attach video ads. They go to the top here, and you pay between 3 and 4 cents a click, which is pretty cheap in this day and age. So, but once again, it takes a little bit of practice and track down some training. I've done some training on how to advertise. I'll stick a link below this video so you can have a look at the training if that's what interests you in YouTube advertising. And then, like all platforms have some sort of paid advertising, but as again, I would start low, very low, and try not to spend much money at all. Lucky last, another method is Udemy, which is advertising, paying people who have already built a list of customers, and you pay them to promote your offer to their list, and you get a pretty good response, like straight away. You won't always get sales immediately, but what it allows you to do is start building your own list fast, and that's ideally, no matter what method that you use, you want to build a list of customers, a list of prospects who will then buy from you as long as you keep talking to them and set up a process so you can send messages to them long term. Then they will know, like, and trust you, and then they will start buying from you. Some buy straight away, but it's very few, probably less than 1%, to be honest. But with the thing I like about solo ads is you can get about a 40 to 50% sign up rate to your list, which is pretty awesome, and that just allows you to build your list faster. So that is it, basically just a quick overall for generating leads. They're the best ones that I've found. I've tested, got results, and people I know who are like just smashing it in certain areas in those platforms. So anyway, that is me. If you like this video and you want to learn more, definitely make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the bell notification so you get notified of future videos. And if you want to have a look at what I use myself personally to make money online, you click the link below this video, and that'll give you a free presentation on how you can make money, and then you can decide whether it's for you or not. But that is it for me, so I will see you in the next video, and have a great day.